Over the past few days, I've shared why and how we are opening up quant long-term investing to a wider audience.
And today, we are super excited to reveal the Dream Big series 5 rule based funds across risk profiles to build your systematic long term portfolio. There are 3 existing products now available at lower ticket sizes: Largecap Ascend, low risk; Midcap Prime, average risk; and Smallcap Sharp for aggressive investors. And 2 new strategies introduced: Midcap Maestro and Smallcap Surge. Together, they cover the full spectrum, from low to high risk, suitable for varied investor goals, giving investors and wealth managers the flexibility to build their portfolios. And the best part, no longer is a big check needed to start. Institutional grade, quant driven strategies now more accessible than ever. For an average risk investor, we recommend diversification across at least 3 of these products from low to high risk. In the coming days, I'll share the framework, the philosophy, and the thinking behind these products.